Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with the dramatic movie-like events which unfolded in the second city this morning, involving security guards, gunmen, and a business operator losing millions. Investigators have begun probing the brazen robbery in Montego Bay, St. James, which left 2 people dead and another in serious but stable condition. The incident has stunned the business community and has the National Security Minister issuing a plea. We have TVJ's Dwayne Anderson picking up that story.
Bullet holes, blood stains, yellow tape. Chilling reminders of a daring daylight heist in Montego Bay, St. James. It all unfolded minutes after 8 Sunday morning at a section of Jarrett Street, while 2 security guards from Hawkeye were escorting this heist minivan, also with 2 persons aboard. Reports are that the thugs used their vehicle to block the path of the Hawkeye unit and the minivan, after which they opened gunfire on their targets. One of the security guards died, 61-year-old Canute Earl of Norwood. 41-year-old Floyd Wilson of Rosemont Gardens, St. James, who was also in the minivan, also died. The other security guard is being treated while the other passenger from the minivan escaped unhurt. The robbers made off with an undetermined sum of cash. One resident, spooked by the brazen gun attack, gave his views off camera.
Police and freeze, you know. The police and freeze. The army hand freeze. True human rights.
He fears crime in St. James will return to levels that preceded the state of public emergency. The security measure, which lasted for almost a year, expired in January and helped slash homicides by 70%.
Don't worse, you know. Don't worse, man. If it no stop from now, it don't worse.
Meanwhile, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang reiterated that hoodlums who were detained under the SOE are responsible for the recent upsurge in crime in the second city.
The critical element in the legislation that we are looking towards, and that was in the SOE, is the capacity to separate the known violence producers and criminal organizers from the community while the police build the case and in fact rebuild confidence in the community. So I'll await the response of the opposition to that particular position.
He said the security forces are working hard and have received more resources to tackle crime. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.